Hey everybody, what's going on? So today I'm going to be telling you the winners of my second giveaway. And I'm sorry I sound a little weird, I'm actually getting a little bit sick here, and so I'm going to make this video a little bit shorter than the rest because it doesn't feel the best to talk. But let's go ahead and draw the first winner. Now remember, I'm buying all this stuff out of my own pocket, and that's all I can afford, but if you swing on over to my Patreon and consider becoming a patron, then that'll allow me to give out way better prizes. And also, if you become a patron, you are 10 times more likely at least to win. So the first winner I drew didn't respond back within 24 hours to any of the messages, so they invalidated themselves. So I went ahead and repicked the first winner, which happened to be Presley Vedado. I don't know if I'm pronouncing your last name right, but that's my best attempt at it. Presley went ahead and claimed Overwatch, so everybody congratulate Presley. And let's go ahead and draw the second winner. And the second winner is James Lamb. Now James wanted PUBG, which is perfect. That means each one wanted each game, which is fantastic. So everybody congratulate James on his victory as well. And those are the two winners for my second giveaway. I will definitely be doing a third giveaway here soon, so let me know what you guys want as a prize, and I'll do my best to see if I can afford that and get it for you. One more thing I want to let you guys know about is the community tab on my channel has been enabled, so I'll be using that as a main social media platform to communicate with you guys on regular post updates, on polls, on different things like that. So head over to youtube.com/scrapyardfilms and look at the community tab. I'll even be giving extra entries for the giveaways on the community tab, specifically for people who listened and turned on the bell notification and get those notifications. They'll be able to see those. I'm only going to have them up for a limited amount of times, so do yourself a favor and click the bell icon next to the subscribe button so you can be notified when I do a video and post in the community tab. You can earn extra entries, increasing your chances to win all the stuff that I put out. So thanks for participating in this second giveaway, and I'll see you guys in the next one.